welcome you all. Today's topic is 4.3, that is surds and their application. Okay. Definition: an irrational radical with a rational radicand is called a surd. Hence the radical's nth root of A is a surd if A is rational and the result of this is irrational. Okay. For a surd, there are two conditions on this. A must be a rational. A must be a rational, and the result, that means the answer we got, must be irrational. For example, there is a square root 3. Okay. Check these two conditions. Condition number 1, A is rational. 3 is a rational number. 3 is a rational number. This is a rational number. Okay, A is rational. Now what is the answer for square root 3? It is 1.7320. This is irrational. That means this is a surd. Okay. Example number 2. 2 by 5. 2 by 5 is a rational number. We all know that rational numbers can be written in the form of P by Q, where Q must not equals to 0. 2 by 5 is a rational number. What is the answer for 2 by 5? What is the answer for 2 by 5? That is 0.6324. That means this is also a surd because A is rational and the result is irrational. That means this is also a surd. What about cube root of 7? Again check the two conditions. 7 is rational. Okay, 7 is rational. What is the cube root of 7? What is the answer? 1.91293. The result is irrational and A is rational. That means this is a surd. What about this? 10 is rational and the result is 1.778. This is a irrational. That means surd is when A is rational and the result is irrational. Okay, what about those who are not surds? For example, this. Check those conditions. Check two conditions. Okay, check two conditions. First one, A is a rational. Okay, check two conditions. A is a rational. What is A in this example? Pi, and we all know that pi is an irrational number. That's why this is not a surd. What about this? Check first condition. A is rational. A is 2 plus square root 17. Is it a rational? No. It is not a rational. A plus 2 square root 17 is not a rational number. So, this is also not a surd. Clear? Note that for the surd, nth is the surd index or order of the surd. Okay. This nth is the order of this surd. If I am going to ask you what is the order of this surd, you can say that 3. The order of this surd is 3. Order of this surd is 3. A is rational and is called the radicand. We can say that A is a radicand. A is called a radicand. Okay, and this is the order, third order surd. Every surd is a rational number. Okay, every surd is an irrational number, but every irrational number is not a surd. Okay, focus on that point. Every surd is an irrational number. Yes, it is true according to definition. The result is an irrational number. So every surd is an irrational number, but irrational number is not a surd. Okay, this is an irrational number. It is not a surd. Okay, what about the operations on surds? Just like there are 4 operations in mathematics: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. We apply these arithmetic operations on numbers, on algebraic expressions. We can apply these operations on surds. Okay. First, addition and subtraction of surds. How to add surds, how to subtract surds. Similar surds having the same irrational factors can be added and can be subtracted into a single term. For example, example number 1, 4 square root 3 minus 3 square root 27 plus 2 square root 75. Now there are 3 terms. Term number 1, term number 2 and term number 3. Surd of first term is square root 3. This is surd of this term is square root 27. Surd of this term is square root 75. To solve this type of algebraic expression, to simplify this, just think for that number. Okay, just think for that number which divides all these a. Okay, a for a in this term is 3, in this term is 27, in this term is 75. Is there any number which divide all these three a, all these three numbers? Just think for a while. Yes, 3. 3 divided 3 also divide 3. 27 is also divide on 3. 75 is also divide on 3. That means these 3, 27, 75 are the multiples of 3. These are in table of 3. Okay. We can write 3 as 3. We can write 27 as 9 multiply 3. We can write 75 as 25 multiply 3. Okay. Now separate these 4 square root 3 minus 3 square root 9 multiply 3. We can write square root a multiply b equals to square root a square root b. We can write it as. Okay. So we can split them now. There is a surd. This surd is common from all these terms. Take it as a common in this step. Okay. Now we get 4, 3 and square root 9 is 3. 3 multiply 3 is 9. Okay. Plus this is 2 multiply square root 5 is 5. This is 10. This is 10. 4 minus 9 plus 10 is 5. So this is the answer. This which is irrational. Okay. B part. Again think for that number which divide all these a. 128, 250, 432. Simplest way to find that number is take your calculator. First divide 128 on 2. If it is divided on 2, then check is 250 is divided by 2. 432 is divided by 2 or not. If these three numbers are divided by 2, then 2 is the common factor of this. Okay, find that common factor which divides all these three terms. Okay, 2. We can write 128 as 64 multiply 2. 250 as 125 multiply 2 and 432 as 216 multiply 2. And 4 is the cube of this, 5 is the cube of 125 and 6 is the cube of 216. We can write it in cube root by because the order of our surd is cube, because the order of our surd is 2. If the order of our surd is 2 or 4, then we'll reduce this in that order. Okay. There is the order of surd is 3, so that's why we are right here cube, because when we open this cube is cancelled with this and we get 4. This cancel with this and we get 5. This cancel with this and we get 6. Now this cube root of 2 is common from all this. Take it out and just add and subtract these terms. You will get 5 cube roots of 2. Okay. We can multiply and divide the surds of the same order. Okay. Focus on that. We can multiply and divide surds of same order. That means we can multiply surd of this and this. Okay. We can't multiply surd of different order. Okay. This is not possible because if the order of this surd is 3 and this surd is 2. We can't multiply this. But the order of this surd is 3 and this is also 3. We can simplify this. Okay. Multiply and divide the surds of same order by making the use of these two laws. Just remember these two laws. These will be used in our next examples. Okay. And the result obtained will be a surd of the same order. If surd to be multiplied or divided or not of same order, they must be reduced to the surd of the same order. If some surds are different orders, okay, you can reduce them. Okay, you can reduce them in the same order and then simplify. Okay. Example number 1. Simplify surd of 14 and 35. Okay, orders of both surds are same. just think for that number which divides 14 as well as 35. 14 is divided by 2. Okay, 14 is divided by 2, but 35 is not divided by 2. And okay, we can't take 2 as a multiple for these. Okay, 7 in 14, 7 2 times 14, and 7 5 times 35. So 7 is the number which is common. That means 7 divides both these numbers. So we can write it as 7 multiply 2 and 7 multiply 5. Now the order of surd is 2. Okay, we can write it as this is 2 or second order surd. So we can 7 square 2 multiply 5. This square cancel with this. 5 2 times 10. Clear? We have this. Okay, how to solve this type of surd? Now the orders of all surds are different. To make them equal, look at the denominator. Take the LCM for this. Okay, what is the order of this surd? First one surd square root 3, 2. Order of this surd is 2, and the order of this surd is 3. Okay, order of this surd is 2, and order of this surd is 3. Okay, what is the LCM for this? 6. We can write 2 3 times 6, 3 1 times 3, 3 2 times 6, 2 1 times 2. Just suppose there is 1. Okay, you can write 1 by 2 as 3 by 6 and 1 by 3 as 2 by 6. That means I want to say that you can write 1 by 2 as 3 by 6 and 1 by 3 as 2 by 6. Okay, now the surds are same. This is a surd 6th order, this is also a surd of 6th order. That means you can write, look at this, square root, cube root of 2. This is 1 by 3, and 1 by 3 is, we can write 1 by 3 as 2 by 6. 2 by 6, we can write it as 6th root of 2 square. Okay, similarly, this is square root 3. Square root 3 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2, we can write 1 by 2 as 3 by 6. 3 by 6. Now we can write it as 1 by 6 is the 6th root, and this is cube. 3 cube is 27, 2 square is 4. Now the order of this surd is 6, this surd is 6, this surd is 6. Now we can simplify them. 27 and 4, 108. Now according to law, we can write it as a whole. The law is A, surd of A, surd of B equals to surd of AB. This law is used here. We can write it as 12, 108. Divide these two terms, we get 1 by 9. We can simplify it further. 9 is the square of 3. Now we can write 2 by 6, and 2 by 6 is 1 by 3. That is the answer. Okay. If you have any question, you can ask in comments. Thank you.